Oh, nailing it every time. You think you're a rock crawler, dude? Right guys, so we got this to unbox and review. So we got this super looking kids rock crawler from Double E, and they call it the Scribble Off-Road 4x4, and it's a 2.4 gig crawler, and it'll suit ages 6 and up. And its functions are 4-wheel drive, you have your full directional system, off-road power, so it's got 2 motors, one to the front and one to the rear, driving each of those axles, and a basic suspension system. And this is running on 2.4 gig. And also in this you do get a battery and USB line included, so you do have a battery and charger. You will need to obviously put your own batteries toward the handset, which is 2 1.5 AA batteries. So it ain't an Axial crawler, but it is somewhat fun for all the family, I'm presuming, just to go out there and have a laugh, especially if you're young and looking to get into the hobby and you've been watching crawlers and stuff on YouTube and you think, yep, that's for me. This is not a bad place to start out if you are a small child yourself. So this truck is currently on Amazon at $39.99, so I'll drop the link in the comment section down below and in the description. And in the meantime, let's open this up, have a good look at it, and then I think after school, you, little one, talking to you.
I can test it.
You can test it.
I can test it early.
Yep.
And Macky there, look that. And our dog.
So she can test that, and yeah, it's another afternoon of fun. So here's all the contents of the box. We have the instruction manual, your little tool, no doubt for replacing the battery or even maybe doing repairs. You get 2 400 milliamp batteries, not 1 but 2. So kids, once one's dead, make sure you got the other one charged and you can get double the fun. Here's a simple remote with forwards, backwards, left, right. And the thing itself is, I'm loving this shell. It's very colourful. It's very springy. So the crawler itself is very colourful, and it all works on its little suspension there. Then you got like a little 4-link setup, and I think with this, I'm not sure if there's I'm presuming the motors are going to be there in the axles. And you got like a little servo built in the front there for your steering left and right. Also features some nice little squishy rubber tyres, and it doesn't weigh much, and it's quite flexible. So although I don't think it may grip on like slippy stuff, and it might slip a lot, I do still think this would be like quite capable just on normal terrains, and not heavy or drastic, but just for general kid fun. But there's only one way to find that out, and that is to charge these batteries and go and give it a test. And there is your basic 2.4 radio for driving the car. So using the little hand tool provided, just take the screw out of there to get into your little battery box, and let's plug one of these batteries in. Plus a couple of AA batteries for the radio. Just to get a few little clips of the car.
Now? Now you put it up. Are you done? Are you done?
So as I said, I'll bring Leyarna out after school so we can test this little rock crawler. And here she is, putting it through its paces on the grass. Oh, it's flying along. So it's not got the greatest steering lock. It's not very sharp with the turning. It's ploughing through this grass alright. So the steering is actually better when it's on the ground, isn't it? It's just when it's on the grass really, isn't it, that it struggles to turn a bit. What do you think of it?
Good.
Good? Well, if you say it good, it must be good. Wow. So yeah, actually the steering ain't as bad on the concrete. I won't put it in the sand in a minute. Hey! I wasn't expecting that. Now the diffs are actually locked in this. You can see all four wheels are constantly rotating at the same time. So you do have like a diff lock effect, which is pretty cool. It'll also help with it climbing. But considering it is just like a little cheap kid's toy crawler, it's bloody capable of like odd bits and bats. It's fun. Woohoo! So it does climb up rocks. Can't climb onto this rock for obvious reasons. It is only small, but it actually climbs up the rock. Ain't that cool, Nunu? Ain't that cool? Would you like to play some more?
Yeah, I'll try and get it off for you.
Here you go, boss.
Yeah, 1 minute.
Looks like Leyarna wants to put it through a durability test.
Try the best. Come here. Huh?
It's not like yours, sweetheart.
No.
Yours is quite a well-built crawler.
Yeah, that. I nearly did the backflip there.
Oh, well done. Monster jamming it again. Woo!
Nearly did the backflip there.
So it's surviving the bashing. It's surviving. Backwards. Go on forwards again. Turn it that way a bit. You just need to get this wheel up on that bit. No, it's alright. It would have gone over, sweetheart. Turn, turn, turn. So out of 10, from number 1 to 10, what would you say it is? Good. As far as a kid's toy goes, I give it a 7 out of 10. For a kid's toy. But yeah, if you've got children and they might be looking into getting into the crawler scene, before you go and splash out hundreds of pounds, hundreds of dollars on a hobby grade RC, why not just look into something cheap like this? And you know, at least then if they didn't like it, it's not a lot of money wasted. I mean, I'm fortunate, my daughter loves it, so we're gonna go because she wants to play some more. That was a good move. Oh, nailing it every time. You think you're a rock crawler, dude? I'm not sure what the run time is on these batteries, but we've had a good, what, 20 minutes, half an hour with it? And that's only the first battery. You get 2 in these, so that's almost an hour of pleasure time. And if you're playing with this on the front street, you can get the other one straight on charge again with the USB and charge it anywhere. Even take a power bank with you and charge it on the go. Second battery then. Oh, I forgot the screwdriver.
Don't matter.
Where there's will, there's a way. So yeah, full battery, the steering is much better. Yeah. Well done. I'll leave a link to that product in the description down below. And if you like the video, give it a like. Please feel free to comment and subscribe. And for the regulars, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Ciao for now, guys. Saying bye.
Bye. Daddy, try that again.
Say bye, right, excited.
Bye. Just do it.
Do it again on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Bye. I'm excited. Now let's do it. Richard! Come on. No, winning.
You winning?